Hello guys, I am Ijaz. Today I am going to talk about how to create a window form application using CLI based C++ programming. First, today I create USD to LKR converter. First, you have to open the Visual Studio. After that, click a new project. If you want to create a Windows Form application, you must install this plugin. I check that. Click here and then you check here desktop development with C++, tick this, and you want to install the MSVC V143, this one plugin. I already installed that, that's why I don't want. If you haven't this, you can't do this. First install this. After that, launch the Microsoft Visual Studio, a new project, and then you search here CLR empty. You see that two of them comes here. We want .NET framework, this one, and click next. And if you want change project name, I click as a project 41 and then click create. After that, you see that blank page. After here, go to the source files and right click add new item, and then you see here UI, click here Windows Form, they are visible, and then click here, click add, and then it's loading. After a while, you see here this blank page. You can adjust that, click and press, and then click project, go to the project properties, and here you see linker, click linker, and then go to the system. Here subsystem, you want to set that this one Windows subsystem. After that, go to the advanced, and then entry point, you have to type here main, and then click apply and set it OK. After that, we have a blank page here, and we want to create a USD to LKR program. Here you see view, and here you find the toolbox. Click toolbox, and here you see that if you want, you click and drag, if you where you can fit that, you set that. After you find the toolbox, here you see label. Click here and drag to this box and label. We want USD and LKR, and we want text box for input, and we want the button here to process the system. Here label. If you want, you can track another label, otherwise you copy that and paste that. First I set here, you see text label 1, I change that name USD and click, you see here that name change. After that, I change font size and font. I bold that, and okay, I set 16. After I copy this and paste, you see another one comes. I change that name here LKR. Okay, and then we want text box for the input and output we saw, and then I said like previous here size 16 and bold, and we want the alignment left to right. That's why we here see text align. I said that to right. I show you guys here, click and text. I type 000. It's come to the left to right position. That's why I said that text align. After I copy this and paste this. Okay. After that, we want a button to process the process bar. Here we have button, drag and drop out in this page, and I said button name is convert. Okay, and you adjust. Okay, and then I said as previous bold 10. Okay, we set it here. Okay guys, after that you here click myform.cpp double time, and you see that page here, and here I paste this. It's a regular one. You copy and paste like this. So in every Windows Form application, it's the structure we want to paste earlier, then we start. Here we have error because our project name is project 41. Here it shows project 40. I change that project 41 and the error is okay. After that, here convert button, you see, click here double time, and you here comes here you code your coding. It's go up to your button convert. I here we want USD to LKR. We know 1 USD approximately multiple by 300. Its function come to convert button. That's why I'm here type, and into this convert button area you type string, click tab to go to the project you see in this list up to the display. Click tab to get that string, and then this mark a. I set a as a one variable. After that, another one we want string, this mark b. Okay, two variables. After I want another two variables as a integer because that's a number. D. I set a name as a D and F. Okay. After that, I store into the A this text box 1. Click tab. Right. And here text, you see here text box 1. Click here text box 1, and then this mark text. Okay. After that, I store into the T INT 32-bit. After pass A, store pass to the A. After that, I store to the F D multiple by 300. I choose a USD value as a 300. After B, F, I want to convert integer to string. That's why I put here to string function. It's convert the integer values to string values. Okay. After that, double bracket, semicolon, and then I pass this to this is my text box 2. First, it's get the marks for text box 1 and then pass to A. It convert this D in multiple by 300. I choose a value as a 300, and we know it's a integer value to string. Integer to string we change, we put this mark here, and then after that we have to pass this to text box 2. Text box 2, and then the text, okay, equal B. Okay guys, and then we put here. After that we go to our function. I debug this to check whether it's work or not. I debug here, and here we show our project, and here type 1 and click convert. It shows 300, and I put another number is 3, convert 900. It's perfectly worked. I hope you all understand this, and thank you for watching. We'll see in another video. Thank you.